What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today, this is part 2 of the mythic pistols. Look, I've actually got them. It's so epic. I love this season. This is like probably my favorite one because there's a bunch of like mysteries, and I like mysteries and secrets. Okay, I ended it because my stepmom came in. Yeah. Oh no. I don't wanna do it. I should be fine now, yeah. Yeah, actually, maybe I could make it on the tree. No, I doubt it. If she comes in again, then I'm gonna have to end it again, and then part 3. Zoom. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take out my dual pistols and probably rush them. I haven't even got a kill yet. I haven't even seen anyone. I mean, like, I have, but they were just fighting someone else, I think. No, they were shooting RPGs at me, and I did not want to die because of the thing. What is it? Great. Okay. Because of the dual pistols, I don't want to lose them. You know? Yeah, so after we do all of these parts, I'm gonna go to Meowscle's place because I know where that is, and then I'm going to try to get the key card that he holds. And he's about the same HP as of what's his name, Deadpool. So sorry if you hear my like PS4 buttons. I know they're weird to here, but that's okay. Thanks for the ammo, by the way. Who didn't pick that up? Was this my boat? Nah, probably wasn't.